Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your TikTok application, Facebook application, but before that, you have to make sure that both of these applications are updated to use the latest version and feature, and also to avoid any problems and lag. So to start, open your TikTok and then go to your profile. Now copy your username here. For example, at AlexBrook 1989. As you can see, username copied. Now you can simply exit your TikTok application and open your Facebook app. Now all you have to do is to tap this three lines here. Go to your profile and then tap this edit profile here. Under or below add to story. Scroll down till you see links. Okay, tap this add. Okay, let me go back. Go to links, tap this add, and then click this add social link or add website. Everything is up to you. But let me tap the social links and then click platform. Now look for TikTok, tap TikTok, and then paste your username here under username. Okay, and then after that, after you paste your username or TikTok username, you can now save this one. Okay, now to see if your TikTok username or if your TikTok account is already connected to your Facebook, then you can go to edit public details to see if you can see your TikTok application or account here. So as you can see, I can now see my TikTok account here, or the people who will visit your profile can totally see your TikTok account. For example, I go to view as, scroll down, and you can see here your TikTok is here. So when people tap this one, it will take them directly to your TikTok account. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching, and I do really hope this video helped you. See you again in our next videos.